Hello everybody, and welcome to the Jap-Auto-Agent YouTube channel. This is Paul speaking, and we've got a very interesting car here today. This is a 2018 Toyota-Vellfire 3.5 VL. This is the facelift model. They upgraded the engine, and they introduced a new gearbox, an 8-speed gearbox in this vehicle. And the engine was improved. The previous engine, there was the same engine, but they've tweaked it. So this particular engine is putting out 300 brake horsepower. The old engine used to put out 276, and the old ones were good, very good indeed. So this vehicle is currently available to be purchased, but it's available in Japan. It's not in the UK. But I've been providing this service of supplying cars direct from Japan for individual customers here in the UK for the past 22 years. I have supplied thousands of cars, but I make a point of seeking out, searching out, finding cars of this quality and this age, super low mileage. This car's only done 17,000 miles from new, and it's 3 power doors, full cream leather, heated front seats, and I think they're also air conditioned seats. It's got twin sunroofs, mood lighting, sequential indicators. The spec list is endless. I'd never get through it all. It's that much of it. It's got adaptive radar cruise control. It's I'm just looking at my list here, just bear with me please on this. So we've got idle stop start. I hate that, to be fair. I don't like it, but it's got it, and you can switch it off. It's got the Toyota safety sense. It's automatic braking, if you stop you from running into the back of somebody in a traffic jam, I suppose. It's got, this interior is beautiful in this vehicle. It's got the Ottoman seats all the way through, business class Ottoman seats. And so, anyone owning this vehicle would surely be proud of this vehicle on their drive. It's just a dream. It is in the condition of a car you would expect to see at a year old. But this is a 2018. So at £28,500, it represents fantastic value, because this car's life is not behind it, it's in front. If somebody wants to own one and keep it 10 years, you'll have this car still running fine in 10 years time. So when you lift this little paper mat up now, in a moment, just look at the carpet and the driver's footwell. Look at that, beautiful. I think they've messed it up. Not the lad himself, just getting in and out, doing the video. So this vehicle is currently available now. It's in Japan. It's not in the UK. I've been providing this service of supplying these cars as an agent. I work for a fixed commission. My customers get the opportunity to buy this car at exactly the same price that I would have to pay if I wanted to buy the car myself. Over that, I charge a fixed commission. So I'm, figuratively speaking, taking my customer by the hand and leading them through the process of how a dealer buys a car direct from Japan, imports it into the UK. Well, a dealer would obviously then mark it up, put it up for sale, and sell it for a profit margin. But in this case, my customers save on the dealer profit. Massive saving, as I said, £5,000 I'd estimate minimum saving on this vehicle. So if I had this vehicle myself, I would have it into the UK, and I would be asking £35,995 retail. You're paying 28.5 for it, and I would just sit it there and say, well, if somebody wants it, come and get it, because you're not going to find another one in the UK, I think, comes anywhere near it. I might be wrong, but I don't think I am. I think I'm right about that. You're going to go a long way to try and find something that can sit beside this vehicle and better it. No, definitely not better it. I can't see that happening. So This is what I do, and I've been doing this for many years. For 22 years now, Jap-Auto-Agent has supplied some spectacular cars to the UK. In fact, only about 2 months ago, I supplied a Toyota FJ Cruiser that was a 2013, I think it is. It's on the water at the moment, coming over for my customer. That one had only done 3,500 miles in black. An absolute, another pippin that we'd managed to get hold of. And recently I supplied another one, a 2013 20 series Vellfire with 10,000 miles on the clock. So I love to seek out these vehicles in Japan, and these are the vehicles that normally stay in Japan. They're bought by domestic Japanese dealers for resale over there, because the best cars stay in Japan. The normal grade and quality of car that comes to the UK are the cars that the Japanese have turned their face away from, because those cars can be bought that much cheaper. They don't make the same money. And the export business in Japan, or the import business in the UK, it's all about profit margin, and the less capital outlay they can get away with. That's what they want to do. They don't want large amounts of money tied up in cars in transit coming over from Japan, which is in a way kind of an understandable thing, but these are the factors that create this situation where, I'm sorry to tell you, but eBay and Auto Trader, the quality is not there. You're not going to find cars like this on eBay and Auto Trader. It's because of the funding of them. With you could have two cheaper, higher mileage cars in transit for the cost of this one, making two profits, not just one profit. So that's why you're not going to see cars like this coming into the UK on a steady, regular basis, unless I've got something to do with it, because I'm operating in a completely different way. So what would be the point of me working as an agent, guiding my customers to bad cars, when I can guide my customers to something like this, which is spectacular? So that's the background to it. Sounds like I'm overselling it. That's not really the case. All I'm trying to do is make the points, point out the good, the bad and the ugly. That's all it is, and then it's up to the customer to make his own mind up. You're quite welcome to get on the phone to me. The numbers are there all over the YouTube channel and all over my website. Go and take a look at my website, and you can get in contact with me, and you can ask any questions you wish to ask, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I'm very well known in the UK. I have customers on the Isles of Orkney. I have currently customers now taking delivery soon of vehicles on the Isle of Lewis and the Outer Hebrides, in Northern Ireland, the Isle of Man, you name a place in the British Isles, I've got customers. So I look forward to hearing from you. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.